Well, we've got a check engine light on, and well, I think we've got to the bottom of it here. And let's talk about this for a second. Right here in this Tipm, there's a fuse for the exhaust brake and the Mass Air FLow sensor. There's no power coming out, and now I've got to figure out how to jump this. So it sounds like these things are problematic after moisture, dirt, all sorts of things. So I guess we're about to find out what we're going to get into. Here we go. Another thing I discovered while I was in here working on this is that a bunch of these fuses are loose. So make sure if you're in here, you definitely check all of them. Make sure they're tight. All right, here we go. Ground on right here, and we'll verify our voltage. We're reading 12.47. Come over here to fuse M21, and there we go. We got nothing. And in case it was the other side, I checked the other side. Still got nothing. So hang tight here, and we're going to jumper this and see if the code goes away. Some good here before we jumped in. I got all the connectors apart, and everything looks okay. We're gonna go ahead and clean all these terminals. We've got some stuff going on here that we need to address. Some stuff was definitely getting moist while this truck had been sitting. Oh boy, this thing's corroded together. Oh boy. Come on, you. There we go. You can see where the pin pokes through right here, and it comes through that little connector, and it should have went back up with the upper half of the board. You can see more of those right there. There's another one right there, and another one right there next to that relay. And they just came back through the board like they're supposed to. Not this one. Damn it. When you look at where this rotted off right here at this pin, you can see there's just an open hole here. It wouldn't matter if the silly little lid on that box was sealed or not. It's just not going to do any good to keep that moisture out of there. Man, almost seems like there needs to be a maintenance interval on these and plug up all these holes with silicone. This is crazy.